Students, this question is about second question because first question was similar to that of the first one I have solved. So I think you can understand and you can solve for yourself. So let us go to the second problem. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified or enlarged real image of an object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Where is the image located? So we have to find where is the image located, that is image distance, right? So let us take let's in this problem let object height be h and image height be h dash. Image distance we know is v, that is what we have to find, and object distance is u. Now we need magnification because they have given a concave mirror produces 3 times magnified, that is magnification is given by h dash by h, right? But in this case a concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image of an object. So it is a 3 times magnified real image of an object. So we can take this as, that is image height is equal to 3 times the magnified to form a 3 times, okay, image height 3 times to form magnified image, right? Therefore we can write this as m is equal to minus 3h by h. Image height is h dash, right? So h dash is nothing but 3 times h, 3 times the magnified to form real image, right? 3 times the height of object. Therefore h cancels, we have m is equal to minus 3. We also know m is given as a minus v by u. U is given because of an object placed at 10 centimeter. So u is minus 10 centimeter. We know m is minus 3 minus v by minus 10 centimeter, right? So this becomes 30 centimeter, which is minus v, or v is equal to minus 30 centimeter. So where the image is located? Image is located where? It is located 30 centimeter front of the concave mirror. This is it. So in this question it is the second problem. Light enters from air to glass having refractive index 1.5. What is the speed of light in the glass? And speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So students, once again we have to note what is given, right? Refractive index is given, that is 1.5, and speed of light or speed of light in vacuum is given, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, right? Then what we should find? We have the formula for refractive index as n is equal to c by v, right? We have n, we know c, but we don't know v. That is what we have to find. So v is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second divided by 1.5, which implies v is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So this is problem. You can understand it directly. In exams they may give other mediums. In case of they may give air and water or air and glass, whichever it is. They will give either refractive index or the one of the value for the C or V. Okay, Keep it in mind. Till now we have solved problems based on spherical mirrors. Now we are going to solve the problems which is related to spherical lens. So in your textbook, page number 182, solved example, that is 10.3. A concave lens has focal length of 15 cm. Okay, at what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 cm from the lens? Also find the magnification produced by the lens. Here a concave lens always forms a virtual erect image on the same side of the object, right? Now image distance V is given. Concave lens has focal length of 15 cm, that is focal length is given, which is negative. Why it is negative? You have to go through the sign convention, read it twice so that you can understand why focal length is taken as negative, why image distance is taken as negative. I need the answer in the online class. Students, be careful to go through this video and let me know the answer. So what is given? First of all, you have to write, right? So image distance is given, it is minus 10 cm, and focal length is given, it is also taken as negative, that is minus 15 cm. We have to get the object distance and magnification, right? So we have mirror formula, 1 minus V by 1 minus U is equal to 1 by F. We have 1 by F and we have, this is F and this is V. 1 by V minus 1 by F is equal to 1 by U, right? What happens here? Minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15, right? Is 1 by U, or U is equal to 1 by 30 minus 1 by 30, which U is equal to 30. So this is 1 by U is equal to 1 by 30 and U is equal to 30 minus 30 centimeter. As I told you, have to keep it in mind to keep these units over together so that there will be no confusions. Thus object distance is 30 centimeter. Now we have to find magnification, right? They have asked us to find magnification. Magnification M is given by, in lens it is given as V by U, in mirror it is given as minus V by U. Therefore M is equal to minus 10 centimeter V and minus 30 centimeter as U, right? 30 centimeter which cancels, and therefore we remain with this minus sign also cancel. Therefore we remain at plus 0.33. The positive sign, which what it indicates, if magnification is positive, then image is virtual and erect, right? So next question is example 10.4. A 2 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of a focal length 10 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 115 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Also find its magnification. Our question was 2 centimeter tall. Let us take this as a 2 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis, right, of the convex lens, right? This is the optic center, this is a focus, this is the radius of curvature, right? So, and convex lens of focal length, this is a focal length, right? This is something 10 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens, so this object distance from here, this distance is 15 centimeter. If you go to the sign convention, this is minus and these things are plus. You have to check in the sign convention rule. Now if you go on solving this, 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Here before that, what is given? Height of the object height of object, that is h is given, that is positive 2 centimeter. Focal length f is given, that is 10 centimeter, and object distance u is given, which is minus centimeter, that is 15 centimeter, and we have to find v and also magnification, right? So we have this formula. We have u but we don't have v, therefore 1 by f plus 1 by u, which is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15, 1 by v. So v finally will get as plus 30 centimeter, right? The positive sign for the v indicates what? Image is formed at a distance of 30 centimeter on other side of the optical center, this side. If you go the magnification rule, you can get this also. So this is better if you know, because the conclusion will be good. If you are get confused with these signs, if you go through the sign convention, you can understand whether v is positive or negative, right? Next is we have to find magnification. Magnification is given by h dash by h or v by u. We have h, u and v, therefore h dash by 2, v is 30 centimeter and u is minus 15 centimeter. So centimeter cancels, we remain with h dash is equal to minus 2, right? So it is 60, 15 and 60. We will have negative sign because we have positive here and negative here, so we will remain with negative sign. Therefore we have h dash is equal to minus 2 centimeter. We have centimeter over here, it remains. Therefore we have h dash is equal to minus 2 centimeter. Here negative sign indicates image is real and it is formed below the principal axis since it is negative. If you go through the sign convention rule, so I am repeating, you have to go through the sign convention rules before doing these problems. I will ask questions based on this in our online class. Be sure to read it. So we will remain with minus 4 centimeters since I forgot to add this. So 15 ones are 15 twos are, this remains minus 4 centimeter. Now our work is to find m, right? So magnification, m is equal to v by u. What we'll get? Either this you can use or you can use minus h dash by h, which is better for you. You can use it. I'll use m is equal to h dash by h. M is equal to h dash is minus 4 centimeter and h is plus 2 centimeter. So we'll remain with m is equal to minus 2. This centimeter cancels. Therefore magnification is minus 2. Negative sign indicates it is a real image. Our last problem. Find the power of a concave lens of a focal length 2 meter. So what power of lens is given by? Is given by P is equal to 1 by F. What is given in this problem? Find the power of a convex lens whose focal length F is 2 meter. Therefore P is equal to 1 by 2 meter or P is equal to 0.5 meter inverse, right? But we have studied in the theory that 1 meter per 1 per meter, that is equal to 1 diopter, right? Therefore P is equal to 0.5 diopter. 1 per meter or meter inverse is equal to 1 diopter. We have seen in our theory part. So therefore we can write this as diopter. Thank you, students. If you have any doubts regarding to the problems, you can discuss with me in the online class. Online class I may take on Monday or Tuesday because I think everyone is busy with the Deepavali. So happy Deepavali, children. Take care.